Three students are discussing how to write essays.
Hi, everybody. Our first essays in the university are going to be handed in next week. Are you ready?
Not yet, but I will write it at this weekend. I am very sure it will be no problem.
To be honest, this task really drives me mad. I feel like this essay is just way too hard. I have absolutely no idea how to even start. Not a single idea in my head. And I've been staring at this blank page all day. My hands are cold, my stomach's in knots, and my head feels like it's going to explode. I'm terrified I'm going to get a terrible score.
Don't worry about it. Just start by jotting down any ideas that pop into your head, no matter how random or messy they seem. You don't have to worry about organising them perfectly. At first, you can always sort them out and make sense of everything afterward. The important thing is just to get your thoughts down on paper.
I have a more chill way of doing things. I usually go to a cafe to write, so I don't put too much pressure on myself. Laptops are often used there, but I just use paper and a pen to jot down some notes. Sitting in the cafe, sipping a drink, I feel completely relaxed, no deadlines in my head. Just letting ideas flow naturally.
Okay, fine. But now I've got a new problem. Even when I do have ideas, I have zero clue how to start the intro. Like, seriously, introductions are my arch nemesis.
My advice is, you can just start by writing the main body of the article first. Once you get going, you'll naturally figure out what to keep and what to cut, and then you'll have a much clearer idea of what you want to say in the introduction. You'll notice it's actually the same approach you use when you're writing a summary.
Oh, so you can actually do it this way. I thought I had to start with the introduction and just write step by step. Your suggestion is really eye-opening. I'm feeling way less stressed now, and I'm actually starting to feel like I can handle writing this essay. It'd be awesome to get some more specific, detailed tips, though, like how to organize my ideas or structure my points that would really help me move forward.
How about this Thursday? We have a little group session just for you. Bring along your plans and ideas, and we'll sit down together, look through everything, and help you polish and brainstorm. We'll throw ideas around, help you shape your points, and get you unstuck. Just remember, we're here to give you a boost and get you rolling, not to write the whole thing for you. You've got this.
Really? I hope it won't take up too much of your time. I'd really appreciate it. Once I finish this essay, I'll take you both out for a proper meal to say thanks. Something nice and relaxing, maybe even your favorite place.
Three students discussed their first essays in the university. The first student suggested jotting down ideas without worrying about organizing them perfectly at first. They believed getting thoughts on paper, joining a group session, and taking time to brainstorm and polish can help shape points more clearly. The second student preferred a relaxed approach, choosing to write at the weekend in a cafe using paper and pen. They said that sitting in a cafe, sipping a drink, helps ideas flow naturally. Their method was to write the main body first, then build a clearer introduction later, similar to writing a summary. The third student found the task very stressful with a blank page, cold hands, and knots in the stomach. They were terrified of a terrible score as introductions were their arch nemesis. However, after support, they felt less stressed, could handle writing the essay, organize ideas, and structure points. They appreciated the help and promised a proper meal to say thanks.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.